In front of me I have the Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I will show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode along with setting it up. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which is by default added in here. As you can see, it's right here as a third toggle for me. So once you find it, you can tap on it to enable it with whatever the default parameters of it are, or you can also hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So as you can see, we have options for calls, messages, see all exceptions, which gives us just toggles for like sounds, media sounds, and so on, just different kind of sounds and vibrations of the device. Then we have default duration, which basically allows you to set up what will happen when you tap on the toggle right here. So at the moment when you tap on it, you automatically turn it on. But if I select, for instance, ask every time, and I tap on it again, it will bring up this window every single time and ask me if I want to have it until I turn it off or for a specific amount of hours. And two last options. We have a schedule. Obviously, you can set up a schedule so it turns on and off automatically at a given day of the week and time. And lastly, we have restrict notifications, which allows you to basically customize how notifications will appear on the device during this mode. So once you went through all the settings right here, you can simply close this, and whenever you want the Do Not Disturb toggle or Do Not Disturb mode on, simply tap on it, assuming you want to do it manually. And if you went with the same route I did with ask every time, then simply select which one you want, and from there select turn on, which will automatically turn it on. Now if you went the route with the schedule, then you don't actually need to turn on anything. Just make sure that the schedule itself is turned on. So if you go into it again and see schedule, as you can see, you have the toggle right here. So make sure this is checked on if you want it to be enabled, and it will then turn on and off automatically. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.